Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today I want to play with this beautiful palette that Huda Beauty has just released. I am so happy I received a PR package. That does not mean that I am going to just be like, yep, everything is perfect. If everything's perfect, then great. But if there's some things that I'm like, I'll let you guys know. Look how cute the package is. This came the Grunge Lip Duo, the lip combo, the eye pencil. Everything in here is absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty the packaging is. Like, oh, look at that. Ooh, look at this. All of us together. Ooh, look at that. That is so freaking cute. Got your big old mirror. These beautiful colors right there. They are absolutely gorgeous. I really love the colors and this palette. I cannot wait. And we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm going to prep my eyelids. I like using a concealer. I love the coverage that it gives. Okay, I'm super excited. Okay, just to get something in our crease, let's go in with Rise Up. And I'm just going to lace that in the crease. And then blend. That blended beautiful. Okay, the next color I'm going to grab is Fearless Muted Plum shade. That is beautiful. And we're just going to pat and then lightly blend right there. That is beautiful. Okay. Can y'all tell? I'm freaking excited. I'm trying to just focus it just right here, not bringing it forward or anything like that. Just like right there. It's like the perfect time to come out with a palette like this too, especially like the vibes that are going on. And just keep blending. Whatever's left on the brush, bring it a little bit forward. But it should be like that. Using Liberty. And I'm just going to add some of that right here. I feel like this is such a pretty shade. Yeah, it's doing what I want it to do. I feel like where I straightened my hair, I hella burnt it. So I keep smelling the iron and I'm just like looking around me, trying to see if I left something on. I hate that. I want to, ooh, that color right there is color my name. We are going to go in with the shade right here, which is this beautiful black shade. Dab our brush and then dab our freaking eyelid. Are you nervous? I'm very nervous. I need this look to come out how I'm envisioning it. Okay, it is. Okay, that is so freaking beautiful. Okay, so we have that shade in there, how I like it. Okay, and we are going to grab Fearless, which is that really pretty plum shade. And what we're going to do is marry those two together. I'm just going to love this combination right here. Who are you? I am your mother. Oh yes, those colors are blending beautifully together. Like, look how beautiful they are blending together. I love when colors just blend together like butter. It makes me happy. I want to go in with Brave, which is this color right here. And I'm going to add it like around the edges. Yes. And go in with Heroine. Add it right there. Could you go simple with the look? Yes, but the look is grunge. The palette is grunge. I'm like contemplating on which one to put on my lid, which is Maverick, which is this beautiful color right here, or Rebel, gorgeous. So Maverick and Rebel. So right here is Maverick and this one is Rebel. I'm just going to use my finger. I'm not flipping you off. It's just my favorite finger to apply. Oh my, beautiful. Look at that. Go slap your mama for me because this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna be like, babe, date night is canceled. You're taking me out today because that is gorgeous. Look at that. That is like, oh girl, I was so excited. Okay, I'm just going to pop on some lashes. This is Showstopper. I feel like it's perfect for this look. Boom. They look gorgeous with the look. So I'm gonna finish my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys, I'm doing a review on this foundation, so stay tuned. Let's finish the eyes. This is going to make it even more. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Kohl eyeliner, and we are going to add that. We are going to grab a pencil brush. I want to go in with Rise Up and add that right underneath. And I want to go in with Fearless. Oh, this color makes me so freaking happy. It's so beautiful. Do you see it? Oh, it's gorgeous. You don't know how bad I want to pop a color in my inner eye right here, but I feel like it will take away from the eye look. Like it won't look as good. Okay, so this also came in the package. This is the blush gloss. I've never heard of such a thing. Ugh. Look how gorgeous that is. That is so pretty. I'm like, what the heck? I'm like scared. Like, what does that mean? A blush? Oh, that feels like, it's like wet. Oh, a blush. Get it? So your face looks wet? Okay. Oh, and it's pink. It's pink. Like it's like probably one of those, like, you know, like lip colors where like it adjusts to like your pH. Use fingertips to activate pH. Yep, you're good. Apply on top of skincare or makeup to add a dewy custom color to the cheeks. I already finished my makeup and I don't want it to come off blotchy, so we will use this again. Look how freaking pretty that is. You can already see the brushes changing pink. That is so pretty. I'm using the Huda Beauty brush. It's like a little bit, like a hint of it. So what we have left is the lips, and I'm really excited. So here's the Grunge Lip Duo, and it is this says ex-wife. Now, so I'm gonna line the lips, and then we are going to do the whole shebang. Lip Contour 2.0. It's black. Lip liner on. Now we're gonna go in with the ex-wife liquid lipstick. That is intense. Now for the gloss. So the gloss has like a black tint to it. Do you see like the tint? All right, there. I'm gonna go in with a lip pencil, a lip brush. You can have it matte or you can have it black. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I really, really love just how everything just looks so beautiful and grunge. But for those who don't want a really boom lip, I got one for you. Let's do a magic trick. Ooh. I love it. I love it. I love it. So the combination I used on my lips is the L'Oreal Breakfast in Bed and the Charlotte Tilbury. This one is Pillow Talk 3. It's a really pretty chocolatey brown. Combination of these both, beautiful. Look at that. It's my first time, like I was like winging it, but I love the way it came out. Girl. And if you want to add the gloss on it, because it's gonna have like that beautiful tint of gray. But you know what the lips remind me of? The eyes, the plum color in the palette that I absolutely fell in love with. Fearless. I feel like it's just, ooh, like look at this. I feel like the lips brought the lip together. Ooh, yeah. Black one or the gray. Gives me my junior high vibes when I wear this. Love it. Okay, so what I think about the palette, I absolutely love it. They did such an amazing job. Like the packaging alone is just gorgeous. Details, details, details. Look at that. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I feel like I was trying to use every single color in here and it worked. It was beautiful. It looks nice. My favorite colors that I've used so far are Fearless and Rebel. So beautiful. Looks like I wet my freaking brush, but I didn't. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I feel like every color in here you can use. Every single color you can use. You can either play it up, make it very dramatic, or you could play it down and just stick to the matte shades and just keep it, you know, toned down. But when you think of a grunge makeup look, I think of very like boom, bold, glam. That's what I think of, and I feel like I nailed it with the look. Not trying to toot my own horn, but like it is so beautiful, you guys. And I really love the lip combination. I feel like it really brought it together. Like everything, it looks gorgeous. I love the black lipstick, but I feel like it's a little bit too intense for me. I feel like this is like my safe zone. Do you know what I mean? But If you're thinking about getting the palette, I feel like you will not be disappointed. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below, and let me know if you guys would like to see another look with this palette. I would love to do it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!